pay for one of our clients, and we know that's
Oh,
only
okay.
good on iOS devices, so I can get any Android devices out, gender, age, media target. And from a geo perspective, again, I can do city, I can do postal code, or I can go right in and I can do a radius listing. Here's something we
So you
did.
do have inventory, French, Quebec inventory.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. This is cool too, just to put it out there. So we were doing something for a car dealership in BC,
Okay.
and we entered in this. I wonder if this will come in. And so you can see what we did here. We just entered in all of the new car dealerships in British Columbia, and then I
Okay.
can say target everybody within 1 mile of these cars. And then they can go
Of
in and
the
pick them. And so that's what we just call our conquest targeting. I can go in there and I can determine which of those and whether I want to target everybody within there in that location. Like really, really minutia, very high level data specific in terms of geolocation and hyper
yeah.
local too. All right. Do you guys do a lot of hyper local stuff or a lot of location based work?
Yeah, we have some clients, some retail clients that have store like some in Ontario, some in Quebec. So we do some narrow targeting around those store.
Right, because we've done so. Again, we can do all that very targeted. Like we have points of interest data. So if someone said, "Hey, we want you to hit every sporting venue in North America," we could do that. If people say we want you to
Okay.
hit every high school in Quebec, we can do something like that. We also are able to suck up all the data in terms of what happens from an ad perspective. So we're listening to all of the ad supported apps sort of throughout North America. And because we're able to listen to all those and absorb them, we can then create personas based on where we're seeing those devices. So for example, we're doing work now for a university, and they said, here's a campaign we want to run, but it's only for commuting students. So they said, how would
Okay.
you help us find commuting students? So we went and we said, okay, you can do what you traditionally did, which is I'm going to put a poster on the bus in the subway. Or we said, let's do this. Let's listen for all devices that are on campus Monday to Friday, 9 to 5. And let's track those devices to see where they are evenings and weekends. And then let's separate. So we know that devices on campus Monday to Friday, 9 to 5, those are students. And then devices that leave campus evening and weekends, those are going to be commuter students. And we've created those kind of personas, and the performance of that has been extremely strong.
Wow.
So it's cool. And even on that, I can show you. I'm hesitant. Josh, last time I did this, I think it failed on me, didn't it?
No, I think it worked. It was a veil with no S. There you go.
No S. So it's something like this. So Mark, check this out. So if I go, University POI, so this is just Toronto, and again, this is just our demo, and I go apply filters. This is just showing me now, sort of, this is something where we're listening. So this tells me the number of impressions, daily and sort of within the last week that we can touch, and this basically shows different university spots where we're getting beat heat maps. So what you see here on the Toronto core, this is basically the University of Toronto campus.
Yeah.
So you sort of see where that's going, and if you move up a little bit, hopefully I should see once this filters in. Here you go. You see like where York University is, and you've got different Humber College. So you've got the different colleges and the different campuses all around, and this allows us to target. And this is all based on the mobile. So we're doing things with a mobile location and data sync that I think is pretty unique, and that a lot of people are getting pretty excited about.
Yeah.
So
it looks to be very powerful.
Yeah, it's great, and it's exciting because it's something that's, I think, quite differentiated out there. And then
Yeah.